delicious okra and tin mackerel. Huh. This is a combination that you have to try. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're preparing a fantastic recipe. So if you want to see how, stick around, and welcome to my returning supporters. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So let's get straight to the video, guys. So here is a run through of the ingredients that will be needed: onion, tomato, bell pepper, hot pepper, garlic, okra of course, thyme, and we're going to need our tin mackerel. I'm using the one in oil, and we're going to need a bit of salt, some complete season, and black pepper, and that's all we're going to need for now. So here I'm just prepping my fresh seasons, and we're just going to chop these and set aside. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back when it's time to cook. So now that we have prepped all our ingredients, I'm going to add a bit of oil to my pan and allow that to heat up. Then we're going to saute our chopped vegetables. After 2 to 3 minutes, then we're going to add our okra, add a bit of water, some season that we mentioned earlier. We're going to add those and allow that to steam with the okra. In the meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my mackerel. I'm going to remove the center bones and the scale from outside and leave it in big chunks. We don't need it to be smushy. I'm going to leave this in big chunks, okay? So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back. Until we have a nice sauce, and within a minute this is the result, guys. This was very delicious. Actually, this was my first time combining these two together, and I'll definitely do it again. So if you enjoyed this one, guys, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.